Hey Northwest, I'm Elizabeth King and here's what's happening. The Equestrian Club is back in action and had their first meeting yesterday. If you missed it and still interested in being a part, check out the club page on the school website, nrh.rcsd.ms, or email Ms. Reisinger for more information. The Northwest Rankin mock trial team is ready to make this year unforgettable. They are led by senior captains Lily Payne and Demylan Andry, along with junior captains Kalina Day and Jax Ervin. Right now, they are the first public team in Mississippi and are determined to make that momentum going into the next season. Good luck, guys! Love anime or are interested in Japanese, Chinese, or Korean culture? Join us, the Northwest Rankin Anime Club. The club meets every Thursday during Zero Block in room C204. They host monthly watch parties with snacks, fun conversation, and anime chosen by members. Everyone is welcome, whether you are just a longtime fan or just getting started. Want to join? Grab a permission slip and stop by room C204 on Thursday mornings. Miss Mississippi Analia Jolly will be here at Northwest on September 15th at 10:15 a.m. to speak with the 9th grade girls. Freshman girls, you don't want to miss this day. Like to bowl or just want to give it a shot? The NWR bowling teams are holding tryouts September 22nd and 23rd at Fannin Lanes at 3:30 to 5 p.m. You'll need a current physical and you've got to sign up first. Stop by B101 to see Coach Topic to get on the list. That's your news for today. I'm Elizabeth King and this has been your Northwest Minute.